Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. Before starting the exercise 12.4 children, we need to know the rules for number patterns. We know that natural number is denoted with n, right? If you want successor of number, that means if number is 5, successor means plus 1. That means n is 5, n plus 1, right? Successor means n plus 1. Same like that, predecessor means n minus 1. You know that. Now even numbers. If n equal to 1, right children? If n equal to 1, what is the even number? We have to multiply with 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Now it becomes even number children. That means we are multiplying with 2. Now take n equal to 3. Change this as even number. 2 into n. 2n. 2 into 3 is 6. Right? Now 2n is even number. 2n. Take n is 3. 3 into 2, 6. If n is 2, 2 into 2, 4. So even numbers we can denote with 2n children. Now odd numbers. Odd numbers means 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Right children? If I want 3, can I write 2 plus 1? If I want 5, can I write 4 plus 1? If I want 9, 8 plus 1 is correct? Right children? So here we are adding 1 to 1 even number. So what is even number here? 2n plus 1 if you add, this is odd number. Right children? Take example n equal to 1. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. If n equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. If n equal to 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Like that we can find odd numbers children. Now number patterns children. Look here, for drawing a square shape, I am using 4 line segments. Right children, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right children, if we join these 4 line segments, you will get one shape, square shape. Right children? So here I used 4 segments, 4 line segments. Now for 2 boxes, otherwise 2 shapes. Right children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here I used 7 line segments. Here 4 is joining, common for both the shapes. Right children? If I want 3 shapes, this line is common. Now this line is common. How many line segments here we used? 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 5, 6, 7 here. 8, 9, 10 here. Right children? 10 line segments here I used. In this case we use line segments 4, 7, 10. If we increase means it will be 13 because 3, 3 gap no? 3, 3 and 10 plus 3, 13. After that 16, so on. Right children? So this is the pattern. So here I am writing 4 as 3 plus 1, 7 as 6 plus 1, 10 as 9 plus 1, so on, right? Am I correct? Right children? So 3 plus 1. So here I want to use 3n plus 1. And here I want to use 3n plus 1. Here also I want to use 3n plus 1. So on. So the pattern is 3n plus 1 children. So why here I used n? If n equal to 1. Now check. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Correct children? Here if n equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 it is 7. Correct children? Here n equal to 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So the pattern goes like this children. 3n plus 1. Right children? Here n may be 10, 100, 1000, anything. But the pattern going like 3n plus 1. One more example, children. Here we will write the pattern for letter H. See here, for first letter, how many line segments we used? 1, 2, 3, 4 and middle 5. So 5 line segments we used here. For 2H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we used 8 line segments. For 3H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 line segments we used, children. So here what is the difference? 5 plus 3 here and 8 plus 3 here. If we want to use more patterns, then it will be plus 3. That means 14, after that 17, so on it will be there. Right, children? Now we have to write the formula for this pattern. Correct? So here, can I write 5 equal to 3 plus 2? And here also 6 plus 2. This one 9 plus 2. Right, children? And next 12 plus 2. If you observe this pattern, children, here we are using 3, 6, 9, 12 and plus 2 is common for all. Right, children? Here we are using 3 multiples. So that I can write 3n plus 2. Right, children? Here n equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. Correct? Here also see 3n plus 2. But here n equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Here also 3n plus 2. Here n equal to 3 children. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So on. Therefore, this pattern answer is 3n plus 2. Here n is 1, 2, 3, so on. Right, children? Now let us start exercise 12.4, children. First question. Observe the pattern of digits made from line segments of equal length. You will find such segments, digits on the display of electronic watches or calculators. Right, children? Here they have given some pattern. Now it look like number 6. Right? Here we'll count the line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So they have given the number also 6. Now same digit 2 times. 6 and 6. It will look like 86 but 2 digits of the same number, children. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 line segments he used. After that 16. After that 21. Now the pattern is 5n plus 1. How it is? If n equal to 1. Right, children? 5 ones are 5 plus 1. That is 6. Correct? Now we'll check with 2. If n equal to 2 children. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. 11. This is also correct. Now we'll check with 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 1. That is 16. Correct. Next check with 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 1. 21. This is also correct. Right, children? We'll see the next pattern, number 4. For this we used 4 line segments. For the next one, 7 line segments. For 3 digits of same number, 10 line segments. For next 4 digits of same number, 13 line segments. After that, so on, the pattern is 3n plus 1. We'll check this is also correct or not. If n equal to 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 children. Correct. If n equal to 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Correct. If n equal to 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Correct. So on until 3n plus 1 children. Now next one, it is digit 8. For this, how many line segments they used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 line segments. Now 2 digits of the same number. 12 for 3 digits of the same number. 17, next 22. The pattern is 5n plus 2. Let us check it is correct or not. If n equal to 1, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Correct. If n equal to 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. Correct. If n equal to 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, so on. So these are the patterns given, children. Now what is the question, children? If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the number of segments required to form n digits is given by the algebraic expression appearing on the right side of each pattern. How many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digits of the kind 6, 4, 8, children? This is the question. First we'll do it for 6 children. Here already the pattern is given like 5n plus 1, children. Right? 5n plus 1. And we checked also. It is correct or not. If n equal to 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. If n equal to 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. But here they are asking for 5 digits of the same number. Right? So 5 digit means here n equal to 5. And use the formula 5n plus 1. 5 into 5 plus 1, children. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, that equal to 26. Here how many line segments used for 5 digit of same number? 6. 26 line segments we have to use. Right, children? Now 10 digit number. Same number for 10 digit. Right, children? So here n equal to 10. 5 of 10. Formula is 5n plus 1. 5 of 10 plus 1. 5 tens are 50 plus 1. 51, children. That means we have to use 51 line segments for 10 digit of same number. Right, children? Now 100 digit. That means n equal to 100. Same formula here also. 5n plus 1. 5 into 100 plus 1, children. That equal to 500 plus 1. 501. That means we have to use 501 line segments to make 100 digit of same number. Right, children? Now second one, children, digit 4. Here we used 4 line segments to make digit 4. For 2 digit, 7 line segments. For 3 digit, 10 line segments. So on, 3n plus 1 is the pattern. Now they are asking for 5 digits. That means n equal to 5. Apply the formula. 3n plus 1, children, that means 3 of 5 plus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, that equal to 16 line segments we have to use to get 5 digit number of same kind. Right, children? Now 10 digit, that means n equal to 10. Use the formula 3n plus 1, 3 of 10 plus 1. 3 tens are 30 plus 1, children, that is 31. That means we have to use 31 line segments to make 10 digit of same kind. Now 100 digit, n equal to 100. Use the formula 3n plus 1, 3 of 100 plus 1. In n place we have to write the digit, that's it. 300s are 300 plus 1. 301 line segments we have to use to make 100 digit number of same kind. Right, children? Now third one, digit 8, children. Here we used 7 line segments to make single digit. Now 12 line segments to make double digit. Right, children? Now we used 17 line segments to make 3 digit of same kind. So the pattern is 5n plus 2 they have already given. Here they are asking to make 5 digit number, 10 digit number, 100 digit number. How many line segments we want? So n equal to 5 here. Use the formula 5n plus 2. 5 of 5 plus 2, children. That means 5 5s are 25 plus 2. 27 line segments we have to use to make 5 digit of same kind. Now 10 digit, that means n equal to 10. Use the formula 5 of 10 plus 2. 5 tens are 50 plus 2. That means 52 line segments we have to use to make 10 digit number of same kind. Now n equal to 100, children. 5 of 100 plus 2. In place of n we have to write the number, that's it. 500 plus 2. Now 502 line segments we have to use to make 100 digit of same kind. Right, children? Second question, children. Use the given algebraic expressions to complete the table of number patterns. Here they have given expressions, number patterns, right, children? We'll see the first one. 2n minus 1. If n equal to 1, 1 2s are 2 minus 1, 1. If n equal to 2, second term. 2 2s are 4 minus 1, 3. If n equal to 5, 5 2s are 10 minus 1, 9. This is also correct. Right, children? This is the first one. They have given example, children. Now we have to do second, third, fourth and fifth one. Second expression is 3n plus 2. Here, if n equal to 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. If n equal to 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, it is 8. So on, we want if n equal to 5. That means 3 into 5. 15 plus 2, 17, children. Right? 17. If n equal to 10, 3 10s are 30 plus 2, 32. If n equal to 100, 300s are 300 plus 2, 302. This is the pattern, children. Correct? Now we'll see the third one. Here the expression is 4n plus 1. If n equal to 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Correct, children. If n equal to 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Correct. So on, they are asking if n equal to 5. That means 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. Next, if n equal to 10, 4 10s are 40 plus 1, 41. If n equal to 100, 400s are 400 plus 1, 401. This is the pattern, children. Now fourth one, 7n plus 20. If n equal to 1, 7 into 1, 7 plus 20, 27. Correct. If n equal to 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 20, 34. Correct. So on, they are asking fifth term. That means n equal to 5. 7 5s are 35 plus 20, children. It is 55. Now 10th term. If n equal to 10, 7 into 10, 70 plus 20, 90. If n equal to 100, 7 into 100, 700 plus 20, 720. This is the pattern. Now fifth one, n square plus 1, children. If n equal to 1, 1 square plus 1 is 2. Correct. If n equal to 2, 2 square, that means 4 plus 1, 5. Correct. So on, they are asking fifth term. If n equal to 5, 5 square, that means 25 plus 1, 26, children. If n equal to 10, 10 square, you know 10 into 10, 100 plus 1, 101. If n equal to 100, 100 square, that means 10,000 plus 1, 10,001, children. Therefore, these are the patterns, children. They will give the expression. We have to substitute the number. That's it. So, this is the end of the chapter, children. Thank you very much.